If you are looking to turn your garage or barn into a workspace you can use all year round, you will have to find a safe, quiet, and reliable heat source. This 50,000 BTU Natural Gas Unit heater is the way to go. It uses a built-in electric high-velocity fan to pull cool air into the rear of the heater, across a heat exchanger, then forcing warm air into the surrounding areas. These heaters only require 115 VAC power and can be vented vertically or horizontally. Please check local codes and restrictions. With a mounting clearance of only 1 inch, the supplied brackets, external access to power, and thermostat connections, installation is a cinch. With the durable spark ignition and robust factory standard self-diagnostic control module, we can offer a 3-year factory warranty on all parts and burners and a 10-year warranty on any defects in the heat exchanger. This heater offers the operating versatility and safety that you have come to expect from Mr. Heater. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 50,000 BTU per hour heats up to 1,250 square feet. Number 2. Powered exhaust allows for vertical or horizontal venting. Number 3. Easy outside access to thermostat and AC terminals and gas connection. Number 4. Natural gas to liquid propane conversion kit and 2-angle brackets for ceiling mount included. Number 5. Minimum 8 feet clearance from floor to base of heater required. Limited 3-year warranty on parts and burners and 10-year warranty on any defects in the heat exchanger. Number 6. Heats up to 1,250 square feet. Number 7. Spark ignition features a self-diagnostic control module. Number 8. Includes 2-angle brackets for ceiling mount. Number 9. Low-profile design, can be installed in low-ceiling buildings. Number 10. Minimum 8 feet clearance from floor to base of heater required. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.